Hi everyone, this is Bao from Retail Machinery. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to make a detailed introduction of our TDU for our CNC tube hole coloring machine. The TDUs now in my hand is with the maximum size and the minimum size. The maximum size is 54 millimeter, and the minimum size for the tube hole size is 6.0 millimeter. And each TDU have its size during range. From this table, you will see clearly. This is the tube out diameter, and this is the tube during size, and this is the coloring size for each TDU. This is our TDU size here, and our TDU is with a stronger and durable design. It can make during and coloring on the big tube sizes easily. Next, let me show you how our TDU are working on our CNC tube coloring machine.